Welcome to the Uni-ram standard operation for our Solvent Recycler DB100N series with 20-gallon capacity. When you first receive the machine, the accessory kit will contain a manual, neoprene lid gasket, and filler hose and suction pipe. Let's ensure smooth operation with these steps. Step 1. Positioning the solvent receiving pail. Place the receiving pail provided by Uni-ram so the solvent outlet tube is inserted into the opening. If you are not using the pail provided by Uni-ram, ensure the pail is 20 gallons or 75 liters and approved for containing solvent. If it's metal, connect the alligator clamp of the ground wire to the rim. Step 2. Connection setup. Connect the DB100N to a 30-amp explosion-proof plug and receptacle, or directly to an explosion-proof electrical box. Attach the air inlet fitting to the air supply and connect it to the air input, using a moisture filter if needed. For solvent lines, connect the solvent out tube to the solvent out port and ensure the other end is inserted into the opening of receiving container. Then, connect the solvent in tube to the solvent in port and insert the other end into the drum of used solvent. For grounding, attach one end of the ground wire to the unit, preferably to the screw near the air input, and the other end to a grounded object. Step 3. Installing a new liner bag. Install one of the LB2000E10 liner bags, ensuring the bottom sits flat on the distillation tank. Squeeze the retaining ring into the liner bag and make sure it fits securely in the groove. Step 4. Filling the distillation tank. Fill the tank with used solvent up to 3 inches below the retaining ring. Overfilling can lead to blockages and leaks. Close the lid and cover securely. Step 5. Starting recycling. Press the Start button. Distillation begins, and the heat light comes on and flashes. To stop recycling, press Stop. You cannot open the cover and lid until the display on the keypad shows Ready. Step 6. Transferring clean solvent. Use the solvent transfer system to pump the solvent out. Turn the transfer timer knob fully clockwise to transfer the solvent. Step 7. Removing debris. Wearing gloves and goggles, remove the retaining ring and slowly pull out the liner bag containing the debris. Dispose of the debris properly and avoid leaving old waste in the tank. Step 8. Cleaning the distillation tank. Remove any remaining debris from the tank. Clean with plastic or wooden tools and wipe dry with a cloth. Avoid abrasive or metal tools to prevent damage. Step 9. Cleaning the lid sealing surface. Use a cloth to clean and dry the lid gasket, and the lid sealing surface. This extends the life of the lid gasket and prevents leakage. By following these standard operating procedures, you'll ensure the efficient operation and longevity of your solvent recycler. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay with us. To make sure the machine is in top condition, let's start with replacing the lid gasket. Step 1. Open the safety cover and tank lid. Unscrew the gasket clamp screw. Carefully remove the damaged lid gasket. Step 2. Clean the edge of the lid thoroughly with a scuff or abrasive material to remove any contaminants. Step 3. Install the new gasket into the groove and press with your fingers. Ensure the gasket sits flat with no deformations and tighten the gasket clamp screw. Step 4. Verify the proper functioning of the lid gasket by recycling 10 liters of clean solvent. Next, let's move on to cleaning the vapor outlet port. Step 1. Remove the vapor outlet T and clean it thoroughly. Ensure all openings are free from debris to prevent blockage. Step 2. Clean the condenser. Using an air blow gun, blow the air through the outlet to clean the condenser properly, and use the blowgun to clean the surface of the condenser to blow the dust away. Step 3. Then reinstall the vapor outlet T. By following these maintenance procedures and standard operating procedures, you'll ensure the optimal performance and longevity of your solvent recycler. Thank you for watching.